Hey, I'm a little sick today. With the weather changing, my sinuses have gotten a little clogged up, and I have a little bit of a sore throat. Not much of a sore throat, but it's still there. But I wanted to talk about this. So when I was talking with socialists, especially on Twitter, uh, I would talk to them about socialism and what is and is not socialism. For example, the Nazis are socialist. The Nazis were socialist. Um, and they would say, no, they're not socialist. Socialism is this very specific thing. And they didn't seem to understand that that is a fallacy. Now, I'm not sure what fallacy this would be called. So the socialists that I would talk to would say that socialism is a stateless, classless society where the workers own the means of production. And that's a very hyper-specific brand of socialism. If you're not aware, there are many forms of socialism. There have been many forms of socialism since before Marx. This brand of socialism they are describing is specifically Marxist. And when I bring this up to them, I say, that's Marxist socialism. There are other forms of socialism. And they kind of shut down. Then we talk for a little bit more, and I bring up the fact that Marx wrote in Capital that one of the requirements for a capitalist society, for a capitalist economy, is commodity currency, which we do not have. We have fiat currency. The difference is that one is backed by gold or some other more objective unit of wealth, and fiat currency is simply declared to have value by the government. So then they say, well, why is the Marxist definition of socialism not right, but the Marxist definition of capitalism is right? Now, of course, they don't grasp that Marxist socialism is a hyper-specific form of socialism that isn't even the first form of socialism. There are other forms of socialism. However, Marx did invent capitalism. He invented the theory of capitalism. And Marx and capitalist philosophers are in line. So there is no contradiction. There is no other form of capitalism. There is just capitalism. And, I struggle to explain this over Twitter because there's a character limit. And I don't have the 4,000 characters that some people have access to. I don't know how to get those 4,000 characters either. But this is a fallacy, okay? There is more than one kind of socialism. There is not more than one kind of capitalism. And so, because of that, I can say your brand of socialism is not the only brand of socialism, and therefore people who are socialist, who are not Marxist socialists, are still socialists. But people who are not capitalist are simply not capitalist. Because that's just how it works. And, the left just shuts down at these facts. They don't like these facts, even though these facts were created by them, technically speaking. I don't know what to say else. It's really ridiculous, and I just wanted to vent about it. Be on the lookout for this sort of behavior, and do your best to counter it. Be clear with your words. Be clear in expressing these philosophies. That's about all. Thank you for watching. Peace.